can only show you the door. You have to walk through it.
Hello guys, welcome to the Crypto Matrix. I'm Mr. Legend. In this video, we'll be taking a look at an altcoin BNB. BNB is up 15% over the last 24 hours. BNB has rallied up by 45% over the last 1 month. The last 1 year has seen BNB pop up by 133%. BNB is currently trading at a new all-time highs, currently trading above $1,347. In this video, we look at BNB's performance against the US dollar over the years. BNB has gone from as low as $0.1 to as high as $1,353. How high can BNB go? Is the rally coming to an end? Should we still be buying more BNB right now? We'll also look at BNB's performance against Ethereum. Then we'll look at BNB's market cap, which also sits at an all-time highs. Sentiment in the cryptocurrency market is still fearful. Are we going to see altcoin season? When will Bitcoin dominance done? We'll talk about that and more in this video. But first, guys, an investment in knowledge pays the best interest. When it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. Do the necessary research and analysis before making any investment decision. Let's get down to business. Let's start with the price of BNB against the US dollar. It's been a very, very good time for BNB holders. They have seen their investment increase in value against the US dollar over the last few days, over the last few weeks, and if we're being honest, since the bottom of the bear market. October 2023, BNB was trading around $200. CZ was about to go to jail. Market participants were scared. And with the US government shut down Binance, yada, 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 there was peak forward in the market. What happened since then? BNB has rallied up from as low as $200, picked itself up, rallied to new all-time highs, continued pumping. And right now at the highs, at around $1,350. BNB is still rallying to higher prices, with BNB meme coins also pumping. But remember, guys, you are playing a game. The game is against other market participants. The game is to buy as low as possible, to sell as high as possible, to buy when there's fear in the market. And when great returns, you want to sell for some sweet profits. You want to buy when we're in the lows, the bottom of the bear market, and you want to sell as close to the top of the bull market as possible. And if you look at what BNB has done over the years, it always has its time in the sun. It always has its time when it's rallying aggressively. But one thing is sure, the rally doesn't last forever. At some point in time, we are going to see a huge decline in the price of BNB. But I've not gotten to that time right now. BNB is chugging up to higher prices, and if we measure the progress BNB has made from October of 2023, we have seen BNB go up by more than 555%. In the coming days and the coming weeks, I expect BNB to start topping. There's some early signs of a top forming already for BNB. You can see bearish divergence showing on BNB. And even though we're at all-time highs, even though BNB trades above $1,353, if you look at the RSI is now setting new highs. With BNB's RSI was higher when BNB was trading at $600 than when it's trading at the $1,350 level. That's one metric to watch out for in the coming days and coming weeks. The higher BNB goes, the more we should pay attention to that bearish divergence, because it means the rally is coming to an end. At some point in time, the nearest future, we might see a huge decline in the price of BNB. If you ask the question, how high can it go? We can easily get to as high as $1,500. The final phases of the market cycle, guys, is where I believe most of the gains are made. So BNB pumping by 10% right now, we see us at $1,500. BNB pumping by around 30 to 40%, we see it almost at $1,800. And with altcoins, you never want to say never. That final pump is always there to liquidate the bears. You want to avoid leverage, you want to hold your spot, and you want to sell when you see the market overheating. I believe the market is showing some signs of overheating right now. We're seeing market participants already betting on meme coins. Historically, that always happens when we are close to the end of the market cycle. BNB is trading around the $1,350 level with a fully diluted market cap of over $187 billion. The all-time high for BNB just happened 20 minutes ago. Traded for as high as $1,353. We're literally living in history. You want to buy BNB for yourself? You can buy BNB on Binance, on Bybit, on OKX, on BitGet, on Gate.io, and anywhere you get your popular altcoins, you can get some BNB. You may be wondering, why is BNB pumping? What's the whole fuss about BNB? BNB is a native coin of the BNB chain ecosystem, essential for powering its multifaceted Web3 environment. It supports transactions on BNB Smart Chain, the open BNB L2s, and BNB Greenfield. Besides transaction fees, BNB serves as a governance token, granting holders the ability to participate in the BNB chain decentralized on-chain governance. And BNB is the coin of the biggest exchange in the cryptocurrency market, Binance, and right now they're having a very wonderful time. If you look at BNB's performance against Ethereum, it's also been raging, also been pumping aggressively against Ethereum and about to set new all-time highs. I hope it doesn't set new all-time highs. I believe that if we get to the top around the 0.37 ratio level for BNB against Ethereum, maybe, just maybe, that will be the top. If not, we'll be watching out for some bearish divergence. Before we start watching out for some bearish divergence, we need to see BNB set new all-time highs against Ethereum. From where it's currently trading right now, BNB will need to outperform Ethereum by around 20% to the upside, which in the cryptocurrency market is very, very possible. You never want to say never with all these altcoins. The altcoin market is one of the most volatile markets in the world. During the end of the bull market, we see a lot of bulls bringing their gains into the altcoin market, trying to multiply those gains, and that's why we're seeing altcoins like BNB, Zcash, a lot of altcoins pumping hard against BNB, against Bitcoin, and against Ethereum. Don't get carried away, guys. Those rallies don't last forever. At some point in time, the nearest future, we're going to see them all down back to Goblin Town. That's the game we play. It's the volatility game. Buying as low as possible, selling as high as possible. The number one job is just to buy when there's fear in the market and you sell when there's greed in the cryptocurrency market. One of the most volatile markets in the world. The market can easily pump to the moon or can easily dump to Goblin Town. You have to be able to accept both outcomes. Right now, there's fear in the cryptocurrency market. Understandably so. We saw the biggest liquidation in the cryptocurrency market just over the last 72 hours. So market participants are still scared. But I believe we're going to see big pumps in the market this week. We're going to see BNB continue pumping to new all-time highs at some point in time. It will stop pumping to new all-time highs, but right now, let's enjoy the party while it lasts. If you look at Bitcoin dominance in the cryptocurrency market, it's already showing some early signs of dump. I'm a big believer that Bitcoin dominance eventually going to dump to Goblin Town, sending the altcoin market crazily going to the moon. Historically, that's what happens at the end of the market cycle when market participants are excited, they're irrational, they want to make gains quickly. They now start entering the altcoin market, trying to speculate on those altcoins. That's when we see usually Bitcoin dominance dumping, and we see the price of Bitcoin maybe just staying sideways or dumping, but the altcoin market pumping aggressively. If you see those signs, which we are seeing right now, guys, get your bags ready. The end of the bull market is not far ahead. And we're not yet in an altcoin season. That's another thing to keep into mind. We're not yet fully in an altcoin season according to the altcoin season index. We got to the altcoin season just for some few days in the month of September. Eventually left altcoin season. And the only way we can get back to altcoin season is if 75% of the top 50 coins perform better than Bitcoin over a 90-day period. Right now, you're not doing better than Bitcoin. BNB is up 95% over the last 90 days. Bitcoin is down 1.8%. More altcoins outperforming Bitcoin will eventually head us to altcoin season. Look at BNB's market cap. It's new all-time highs. BNB's market cap currently sits at $188 billion. We saw it getting to as low as $31 billion in the bottom of the bear market. But since then, BNB has recovered, pumping aggressively to higher values. Can we get to the $200 billion level? It's very, very possible. Less than a 10% move from the $200 billion level. But again, guys, the higher we go, the riskier it becomes. The higher we go, the more you should get ready to sell for some sweet profits. At the $250 billion level, I'm sure a lot of big whales will be taking some profits. Whales are already selling their bags at an alarming rate right now. From where we're currently trading, to get to $250 billion, we need to see BNB getting up by around 25%. You never want to say never on the altcoin market. Drop your thoughts in the comment section. BNB is pumping to new all-time highs after new all-time highs. How high do you see BNB going before the end of the party? When will you be selling BNB for some sweet profit? And do you think we're going to see alt season at any point in time in the cryptocurrency market cycle? Drop your thoughts about that in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notifications to get notified anytime I drop a new video, anytime I go live. Remember, guys, when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. And investment in knowledge pays the best interest. Invest for the long haul. Don't get too scared. Don't get too greedy. See you guys in my next video.
Remember, all I'm offering is the truth, nothing more.